Hi, Tweetie here. We have links down in the description and plenty of playlists for you to check out. Learn to start reusing items like they did in the 40s and 50s when they needed to, when things weren't as easily accessible as they are today, such as plastic bottles. Take a look at the bottom of your bottle that you're drinking your soda pop or juice out of, your glass jars, and see if they are scored or used for food. Put food in them to save them. Collect your beans, your dried beans, and put them in jars. You can put leaves that you've dehydrated into the jars. You can pour beans and flowers down inside bottles, plastic bottles. Put the lid on real tight. Shove them in the freezer for 4 or 5 days, and that will kill part of the bugs. Pull them back out of the freezer for 4 or 5 days, let it defrost, and then shove them back in the freezer again. And if there were any babies in there that were hatching, those are going to die too. And then when you get those out of the freezer when you need them, or you can take them out right away and stock them on your shelves, that food will be safe and ready for you when you need it. And all you have to do is shake it loose and put it through a colander, and you'll be able to get the buggies out if there were any. And if this tip has helped you, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want more tips. Thanks for dropping by, and angels all around. Bye now.